Well, it's been a while since I've been in the greenhouse. William brought me out. He's hiding. To show me the wonders. And what he brought me to see is out here. He has an old hat that he left on the top of a bean pole out here. And a little bird built a nest under it. And has hatched some chicks. I'm not going to disturb them any more than this. But there's some little chicks in there in that little hat, which I think is absolutely precious. He's got stuff growing in the top. The students have been doing a bang-up job of tying up tomatoes. They're having a cookout over the fire right now. How are things going this year, William?
It's awesome.
It's been a marvelous year. It's just glorious and great. They've been harvesting strawberries, and we've done fresh strawberries in the freeze dryer, and they're just super sweet and lovely. The worm bin is growing fabulously. Look at that. He's got flowers coming out all along the underside of that little shadowy area. So jungle and full sun, and it's just magical. Things are beautiful here. We have 13 students here, first year and second year students at the Georgic schoolroom, where William's teaching them regenerative agriculture principles. And they'll be going out into fields of their own and helping to make the world a better place. Good kids. Good kids and good experiences. There's their gardens. We had a major hailstorm, probably 10 days ago now. All of them lost a huge portion of their crop. Well, I say hailstorm. What they got was a freeze and then a small hailstorm. It was the freeze that did the damage. But they replanted. They did what any good gardener does. They replanted. Things are coming back up. It's beautiful. It's a wonderful evening. Anyway, I hope your garden is doing well. And the things are growing in your place too.